Hey there guys, if you are an experienced drone flyer, maybe you should click off this video right now because I am a noob. I'm a real beginner, and this is literally my second time flying with the DJI Neo 2 and the motion controller and the goggles. And it's a pretty cold day over here in South Korea, so I'm going to fly for the first time inside my car where it's not so windy. And the little pond or lake that I'm beside is frozen, so I'm going to see if I can play around with the ice. Let's see how this goes.